Carol, Eunice, and Cynthia. Okay, guys, today, Saturday, we are in Eldoret City, the newest city around, guys. And today we have decided to take you for a nature walk because there are no classes. Okay, we decided to take you for a nature walk so that you can see the way the city, the newest city in town is the way the newest city looks and the environment. Okay, it's a good city so far. We've not seen any bad comments about it.
The Bethel Junior Academy. Wow, nice one. This is Jogoo Road, around our school.
We are still around Jogoo Road, guys. You can see it's a very beautiful place. The surrounding. I think this one is the best place
Yeah, it's the best place
to be in.
And my people have realized we're not alone. We are having camera people here.
These are
The
the
people have been holding
behind the
our
camera.
behind the camera because they're camera friendly.
The one in a red jacket, Madam Alice, our beautiful lady. The one in a patterned checked top is Shari.
They have nice names.
They have cute names.
If our camera can capture the view, we are falling in love with that view of Ebenezer Court. So if you are living around Jogoo Road, there is Ebenezer Court. A good rental that you can stay. Again, my people, we are just happy having this nature walk, and we had missed each other, so we are just showing how the environment looks while we are making fun of our own stories. We are just telling our own stories while laughing. Yeah. We had just walked and we felt like having a snack, something to bite as we walk. And we had to stop by this shop. My people, you can see everyone with a packet of biscuits. That's Novita. We bought 4 of them, each one. I think we will work with that. We have planted forest around the way. Can see construction also is going on, though Jogoo Road is a bit quiet. I can see construction so that people can settle there and become also a busy way, but it will take time. So we are just walking, discussing about strike that is ongoing in Moi University. We hope that the lecturers will resume soon. We have that hope. So let's enjoy the nature walk, my people. These are just comrades trying to find their life. Yeah. So let's enjoy it. My people, how was the nature walk?
It was good, but tiresome. We are so hungry. Shari bought some biscuits, but she only gave me one. I'm so hungry, guys, right now, and I'm so tired. We've walked almost 2 kilometers.
Yeah, we have been just walking
To and
around.
fro. But it was nice.
At
We have
least
enjoyed the view. We've known new places, and we've also met new
friends.
on the way. So it
And
was
we have really realized some of our classmates live this side.
yeah, but they live so far from school.
Yeah.
They need to.
So they need to board a matatu for them to reach school, because Jogoo Road, even though it's a nice place, is very quiet and safe. They need to board a matatu to reach in school, especially if they have that morning classes. It's very hard. They just need to board a matatu, which is also, it needs money. Oh, so that's the only disadvantage of staying in Jogoo Road as a student. Anyway, it's a nice place. In Jogoo Road,
Yeah,
suffers.
from Jogoo Road, they suffer so much, but they're in a nice environment.
Yeah,
So
very cool.
Very cool, but there is lack of shops in this area.
You can see it's very cool. Even you can skate from this side place. Like that kid is skating.
Yeah. Riding bicycle is the best.
Yeah, it's best place for riding
This is the
bicycle.
best place if you want to ride the bicycle. So
And-
Alice is showing off her nyash. She's dancing.
What God gave her.
Follow on TikTok at Alice and Zor.
Yeah. I think this school was set in a good environment.
A good place, a quiet place for
True,
So if you want
Eunice.
to bring a kid to study,
I prefer
this one.
Bethel Junior Academy.
And they are having a 2025 intake. It's ongoing.
Yeah.
So
So-
I think this is a good school. It's an academy.
Yeah.
Junior and primary.
So any parents around Annex in Jogoo Road, this is in Bethel Junior Academy.
Yeah.
2025 intake ongoing.
Yeah, and it's near Eldoret Road.
Yeah.
Eldoret Nairobi Road.
Yeah.
So it has a good road. If you are coming with a car with your child, you can bring them here. I think it's a day school.
But I think day school and boarding.
And boarding.
Yeah.
Okay, for more information, you will call the number.
Yeah. Yeah. I love these plants. Don't know the name of the plants. We're now going back after our nature walk, and you can notice we are tired and we don't have that psych that we had as we were coming from our places. We are now tired and everyone is on her own. Yeah. No. This is now Ruiki vendors, and you are hungry, so need to have something. We opt for chips, which was 100 shillings per packet, and we have 4. Imagine a comrade spending 400 a day. Really? Does it even make sense? Of course no. So we opt for samsa, of which it was 10 bob, and each and everyone had 2, that is 20 shillings. 780 bob. It makes sense. But if we could buy each and everyone buy 100, that could be 400. Imagine 400. That's a lot of money. We couldn't do that. So that's some santis that were nice. Comrades within Annex. Comrades in Annex. We have Ruiki vendors in Jogoo Road. Very nice. Come enjoy the what we enjoyed. Even fries were nice because we asked for fries to taste. It was nice, but we didn't buy because it was a bit expensive. So we are here enjoying our what we could afford, that we are comfortable living within our means, and that is something nice. As long as you are comrade and you know what you can afford, that's the best feeling as a comrade. That is something that you should have, that you can only be comfortable and live within your means, then you are good to go. I know there are some who could afford that cheap, but for us, we are okay.
Wacha niwangoje mwende
These two
wote
family,
mbele.
you can notice we are done with our lunch and you are good to go.
That's
so we are
Alice,
just walking back
my
at
bestie.
our place, and you are happy because the samosa were so tasty. They are tasting nice. They were good. Okay, to these houses, we really love these houses.
Yeah, they're bed sitters. 5K and 4,500.
Wait, oh, kind of people business places.
Yeah.
And sitting there when it was raining. We are almost at our place.
Yeah, we are almost, guys. We are almost just a few meters away, or almost 200 meters.
Building. It's our house.
After that cute looking building. Okay, guys, so I wanted to say I don't take Miwa. Guys, we are almost saying goodbye to you. Till next time.
But you're not yet there.
Almost 50 meters away.
My people, my YouTube family, we are almost done. We are almost ending the vlog, but we need to go to the center to buy something. But I've not asked my group. I had that thought because I wanted to go to buy supper, so that when I get inside the house, I will just rest, and then I will cook dinner later because I'm tired. I'm totally tired because the walk. Then don't know if you are going to the center.
Yeah.
We go to our home.
Yeah, guys, we are debating on whether to go and buy viazi so that we can cook chipo for lunch, or we just go to the house and then one person will come back. But I feel like we should go all of us.
We are now heading to the center, Annex Center. And my people, this is how Annex Center looks. It's nice. We are almost there, but we are heading. We are not there yet. So this is where we stay. Let's go together. Let's go, my people. Enjoy it. Enjoy the walk. It has been a little wide, but we're almost coming to the end. Let's finish. Let's end up together. Just going to pick Irish potato for dinner. Then we come back. And we are almost at our center. We are going to buy. Almost there. Let's enjoy the walk, my people. These are just comrades. Support us. Like our videos. Share, comment, subscribe. And even tell us the vlog that should come next. Anything for our people.
Big market. It's like a center where all the businesses take place. You can see it's a very busy place.
For now, it's not
as busy as in the evening.
Yeah.
That's Calvin's.
Yeah.
He's cooking chapati.
He cooks nice chapati.
Guys, tumefika penye tunabai viazi. Hello.
Hello.
This is where we buy our viazi and vitunguu. Poa sana. Uko poa? Saidi na viazi. Hii ni pesa ngapi? 60. Na hii kubwa?
120 na 3.
Tubai ya 120? Nasi tulikuwa nasio. What do we do? Nani tuongeze hiyo 20 ya juu?
Sawa, leta hiyo.
Oh, sawa.
Don't buy one egg at 20 bob. They sell at 25, here it's 15 bob.
15 shillings.
15 bob.
Tray for 20.
Tray for 20? One tray of egg at for 20 shillings?
Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine. Don't suffer that for 50.
It's affordable. It's affordable. Yeah.
Alafu pia tuko na vitunguu.
Alafu they also have vitunguu.
But
Nilishawaambia.
imagine these all for 100 shillings. At this economy.
Very affordable.
Come and buy. For 120, imagine for 120.
120.
Yeah.
The larger one, then this one at 60 shillings. This one 30
We also
shillings.
have tomato.
We also have tomatoes. 3 at 20.
Big ones for
3 at 20. We have really done some exercise right there. Walking is also part of exercise. Well, we are so tired. Right now we're just going to cook and then have some rest.
and then thank you my people. After watching this vlog, we are coming with another
Yeah,
interesting vlog.
another interesting one cooking on the way. So stay tuned.
Cooking, and then we are going to ask each other who knows me better.
Yeah, we have 2 videos after this one. So stay tuned, guys, and tell a friend, and then subscribe so that we can bring you more content, more clear content
Give us that side.
and nice things to watch. Yeah,
As comrades, we are really struggling.
yeah.
Like you can notice even at our center, most of the
Most of the people selling their students, they are doing that as a side hustle.
so that they can pay their rent
Yeah,
and get their needs. We stay here. This is our where we stay.
yeah, this is our place.
Another nature walk for another day.
Yeah,
Thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you for being part of our vlog. We appreciate. Consider subscribing, and that is where you support us. I don't know if you have something to say.
no, just guys, as we have told you, tell a friend to tell a friend. We
Yeah.
want to make our family much bigger
Uh-huh.
and make you some good videos
True.
that you can watch. So please just keep coming. Thank you for those who keep liking much. This is the end of our video.
Yeah, bye.